Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. This is Mrs. Feller here to talk to you about quiz assignments found in Classwork in Google Classroom. I'm going to be demoing this from a student's perspective. Today we're going to identify quizzes in Classwork by icon, understand the layout of quiz forms in Classwork, and respond and submit quizzes in Classwork. Let's go ahead and get started. When I enter Google Classroom, I'm going to notice the three tabs across the top: Stream, Classwork, and People. I'm going to find my classwork here. Assignments and quizzes have the same type of icon, the clipboard. This is the one that I have not done yet. I can tell because this icon is much darker than the other ones, which are grayed out. When I click on the title of the quiz, I can see a preview, and then I can click View Assignment to see the full thing. The teacher's instructions can be found right here, above the attachment of the form. I'm going to read through these instructions very carefully to make sure I understand the requirements of the task. The other formatting features are the same: the title, the teacher's name, the date posted, and the points. You'll also find the option to attach a document, to leave a private comment, or to leave a whole class comment. When I click on the attachment for the form, it opens in a new tab. There might be additional instructions that I need to read on this page. I'm going to look through these instructions to make sure I understand the task. If there is a place for me to type in my email address, I need to type it in fully. It looks like there is a passage, which I'll need to read in order to answer the questions below. Looks like there are 1, 2, 3, 4 questions that I will need to answer. Any question with a red star is a required question, and I'll have to answer it before moving on to the next page. After reading the passage, I'm going to go ahead and mark my answers. If I get to a question that I don't know the answer to, I can always go back to the passage and try to find the correct answer. There's no penalty for doing that. Whether this is a quiz or just a daily assignment, I'll still want to try my very best to answer the questions completely and correctly. Sometimes, when I go back to the text and reread a portion, I may decide that I want to change one of my previous answers, and that's okay. I can continue changing answers on the form until I submit. Before moving on to the next page, I'm going to make sure that I have answered every single question. Not all forms will have multiple pages. This one has some self-reflection for me to respond to, and some identifying information that's going to help my teacher track the data. When I am ready to submit all of my answers, I'm going to click the Submit button, but I'm not finished there. Although this shows that I have completed the form, I have not marked the task as done in Google Classroom. I have to make sure that I do this so my teacher receives a notification that I have completed the form. To confirm my quiz has been submitted, I return to Classwork, view the grayed out icon, and the words Turned in the box. I can also scroll up to the top of the page to view my work and notice that the assignment has been turned in. When my teacher grades it, there will be a score here. Be sure to check out my other student tutorial videos about classwork tasks in Google Classroom on my YouTube channel, and hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on any tips to help you succeed in your virtual classroom. Thanks again for watching, and stay well.